the sun is shining over our beloved Delaware.
Hey guys, Diane here again. Look what Delaware just dropped. I mean, they come through big. They're talking about a Delaware Relief Rebate Program. This is the 2002 Delaware Rebate Program was created by the House Bill 360. This legislation created a relief rebate, which is a one-time direct payment of $300 per adult. Well, per Delaware adult resident. It says this relief is intended to promote the general welfare of Delawareans emerging from the COVID pandemic and facing higher prices at grocery stores and gas pumps. Pretty good. You think the other states are going to do something? I hope so. So way to go to get things going, Delaware. Also, it says in May 2022, the Delaware Department of Finance began issuing one-time payments of $300 to individuals who had already filed their 2020 Delaware resident personal income taxes by the due date. So throughout the summer and early fall, over 780,000 payments were made to adult residents who timely filed their 2021 tax return and to other individuals age 18 and older identified via other state agency data. So beginning November 1st of this year, adult Delawareans who were over the age of 18 and living in the state on December 31st of 2021 and who had not previously received that 2022 relief rebate may apply online. And they have a little box below here, right there, where you can go in and apply or see if it does apply to you. And you'll find this on finance.delaware.gov. And you go into that and it'll show the 2022 Delaware Relief Rebate Program. All right, so you have to have a valid Social Security number. You have to show that you're a resident of Delaware by proving your mailing address, either by an active driver's license that was issued or any other identification, that issued that shows that address there. So everybody in Delaware to get ready to get your $300 one-time payment. That's great. All right, that's all for the state of Delaware, but go ahead and get to applying. I mean, wow. Hopefully some more states will open up some programs like that to help the residents. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, Diane checking out. I'll come back again with some more pressing and great news. Have a great evening.